So I bought these little plastic glasses at Dollar Tree. It's $1.25 for all 6. Next, I'm using lightweight spackle. It's white, it's by DAP, and then I'm going to mix some different colors of acrylic with it and then load those into frosting bags. And as you can see, I'm not using a tip. I just cut a hole in the frosting bag and I'm just adding a little bit. You do have to do 6 colors in this little glass, so you do want to take it easy and not go up too high. And then I'm just taking a popsicle stick and I'm just pressing it against the sides of the glass so that there's not so many, you might get like air bubbles and things. And then I'm just going to repeat that with every single color, adding on each layer and pushing it to the sides with the popsicle stick. Now here I am taking a damp paper towel and cleaning this because I went a little bit too high. I kind of smeared the blue. Here I'm taking plain white spackle and I have a 1M tip on the end of the bag so that it will look like whipped cream. And then I'm just going to go around in a circle with that. Something I always like to do is to take a clean paintbrush and you just dip it in some water and then I just touch up the whipped cream where there's any air holes or any rough ridges. I just really like it to look really clean and nice and smooth. Next, I'm just taking some glitter. This is fine glitter. It's called Glitz. It's from Michaels. Now I'm taking my own homemade white fake drip sauce. It's basically like make your own puffy paint. I do have a video for that. The playlist is called Fake Bake Basics. Next, I'm just adding the same glitter that I did to the whipped cream. I'm adding it to the drip sauce. These lollipop sticks are from Hobby Lobby. You can get them down the baking aisle, and I'm going to use that as a fake straw. I usually like to wait until my whipped cream is dry before adding sprinkles, and so that's what I did here. So I'm just using a little tacky glue, and then I'm going to randomly place these fake pastel sprinkles. So this is how they look. You can use them for tiered tray decor or for some other kind of display, or possibly even turn them into Christmas ornaments if you added a hook. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and please subscribe. I'm a small creator and it means the world to me when I get new subscribers, and I will try to answer any questions that you have. Thank you so much for watching.